Autonomous College Foundation, where I earned my degree in criminology. Upon graduation, I diligently pursue and obtain my criminology license. I still do my best. I previously worked as a job order employee at the Ministry of Trade, Investment and Tourism, Basilan Provincial Office, to be a good role model to my sibling, showing them that no matter how hard life gets, if you have dream and you work hard with determination, you will surely succeed. You will surely success.
Licensure examination last 2022. I want to join this organization because I want to have a stable job and to help my family. And as a teacher graduate, I am a dedicated, honest, and have a strong communication skills not only for the students but also for all the communities.
Good afternoon, sir. I am CRPO PNP applicant Kim Corinne Martinez from Calasiao, Pangasinan. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
You've been staying here in Metro Manila for how many months already?
I am Lizelle B. Malano from Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. I have a bachelor's degree in biology. After graduation, I shift gears and took education units, which made me as a licensed professional teacher. I grew up in a simple but supportive family. They taught me the value of hard work, responsibility, and respect. These values shaped me into someone who is determined to do better every day. I want to enter this organization because I believe this organization will help me to
NCRPO applicant Marian Emilio Molina, 23 years old, from Nueva Vizcaya. I just passed the criminology licensure examination last March 2025. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology at King's College of the Philippines, Bambang Campus, which my strong leadership and discipline was built, and I was applying it now during the application process and will be applying it more in the future.
Good afternoon, sir. I am CRPO Patrol Woman applicant Arlene Malindin, 27 years old, from Solana, Cagayan. Graduate of a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. For 7 years of working, sir, I had a lot of work experience like cashier, customer service specialist, and team leader. Based on my experience, sir, for being a good customer service will be applied for a good public servant, sir. And this is my third time application, sir, and still fighting for my dream, sir.
Mendoza Mapada from province of Capiz, currently residing at Barangay Monua, Parañaque City. I graduated my college degree at Capiz State University Dayo Satellite College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology cum laude. I am a working student since I was in first year high school up until I finished my college degree. I am proud to say that my parents are farmers, and also my main reason for joining PNP is my genuine desire to help and protect our country and to...
Ako po, si Police Buster Sergeant Mauricio Bonilla Ruiz.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, vloggers do not necessarily reflect the official policies and position of this office, the NCRPO, and the PNP.